Hello everybody, this is Mr. Aynesworth, and we are going to get into our third drill here called fraction techniques and go over some new ones too. Ones we've already done, so I'm going to repeat those, and also a few new ones here. So here we go. Hang on, strap on, it's going to go kind of fast here. It's going to be a pause and play video. Alright, so when I ask you to pause the video and try something, then go ahead and pause it and then go for it, because I'm going to illustrate it first, then have you try it. And then, when you're done, hit play and then watch me summarize it, make sure you're correct. Okay, so pause and play throughout the entire video. Alright, technique number one. We're going to divide here in a non-traditional way. Okay, we're going to divide both the whole number and the fraction by 3. You got to remember that 6 and 3/7 is actually 6 plus 3/7. And if you didn't know that, you just learned something. And what we want to do here is divide both these numbers by 3. We want to divide 6 by 3 to get 3. Divide the 3/7 by 3 to get 1/7. Is that true? Well, not 3, That's a silly mistake. 6 divided by 3 to get 2, and 3/7 divided by 3 to get 1/7. Okay, why is that true? Well, 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 1/7 is 3/7. You simply take the whole number and the fraction divided by the denominator. If you want to show it like this, 3 into 6 is 2. 3/7 divided by 3 is 1/7, so 2 and 1/7. Okay, your fraction's right here. 2 and 1/7. Okay? Now you try it. Pause the video, give the second one a shot. Okay, we're back now, and what we're going to do is we're going to take 16 and 8 and 13 divided by 4, and what I want to do is divide 16 by 4, that's 16 right there, and then divide the 8/13 by 4. This technique is good when both of them are divisible by the denominator. We know that 16 divided by 4 is 4. 8/13 divided by 4 is 2/13. Why is that? Well, 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 2/13 is 8/13. Alright, just divide 16 by 4 first, then 8 divided by 4 to get 2/13, and you're all set. You want to show it over here. 4 into 16 is 4. 4 into 8 is 2. So 4 and 2/13. Now this technique is only good when both the numbers up top are divisible by the denominator. When they're not, like in this next case here, you don't want to do that really. I mean, you can, but it's more difficult. Alright, I don't want to show you something too difficult. So here we go. Try this next way. We're going to do it the old way by multiplying by the reciprocal. We're going to take 5 and 2/9. And multiply by the reciprocal of 4, which is 1/4. That's what you learned in 4th grade, believe it or not. Teachers back then said, take 9 times 5 to get 45 plus 2, 47. Change it to improper, and then multiply. 47 times 1 is 47. 9 times 4, 36. 36. Come on. It's late, guys. I'm sorry. So 36 there. 36 divides into 47 one time with 11 remaining, so 1 and 11/36. If you couldn't do that in your head, take 47 off to the side, divide it into 47, subtract, remainder 11, 1 and 11/36. Do all your side work if you need to. Pause the video, now you try number 4. Okay, we're back now. We're going to take 7 and 2/3 times the reciprocal of 2, which is 1/2. Change to improper. I didn't write that down, but we probably should. So change, to improper here. So change to improper here. 3 times 7, 21, plus 2, 23. Thirds times 1/2 is 23/6. Just multiply. 6 into 23 divides 3 times. 3 times 6, 18. Remainder 5. So 3 and 5/6. Okay? Next technique, showed you this before too. We're going to distribute, meaning multiply both terms. Okay? When I say distribute, I mean multiply. So 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 2, 8 9. Done. I don't care whether the number's on the left or on the right side, you're going to multiply through, because when you see 4 times something or 4 times the quantity of something, it's times. So take 5 times 6, and then 5 times 3, and then write your result. Okay, pause the video and go for it. Okay, we're back now. 5 times 6, okay, is 30, obviously. 5 times 3 is 15, so you have 30 and 15/7. All right, but this right here is improper. Okay, and you have to change to mixed. So 7 divides into 14 2 times. 2 times 7, 14, remainder 1, so 1/7 here. Then you have to add it to the 30, because remember, these are being added, and you get 32 and 1/7. All right, next technique, 3 product rule. We're going to multiply 3 times. Starting with the left cross product, step 1. Step 2, the right cross product. Step 3, the denominators. So once more, step 1 here, step 2 here, step 3 here. So I'm looking at this, I'm going 3 times 9 is 27, minus, because it says minus here, 5 times 2 is 10, all divided by 5 times 9, 45. Go ahead and subtract the top there, and you get 17/45, and you're done. Pause the video, now you try it for the addition problem. Okay, we're back now, and we're going to start off with the left cross product, and then the right, okay, and then the product of the denominators. So 3 times 7, 21, plus 5 times 2, 10, divided by 5 times 7, 35, and that's 31/35, and you're done. Piece of cake once you get the hang of it, guys. All right, so use it. The old way, common denominators, using the LCD, and right here the LCD is 2 times 7, or 14. So you have to convert them to 14ths. Okay, 14 divided by 2 is 7, times 1 is 7. 14 divided by 7 is 2, times 5 is 10. Go ahead and add now, since we have the same denominators, and you get 17/14. Change to mixed form. Okay, we know that 14 divides into 17 one time with 3 remaining, so 1 3/14. Now pause the video, now you try number 10. Okay, we're back now, when we know the LCD here is 40. 5 times 8 is 40. When in doubt, multiply the denominators. So you're going to convert them. 40 divided by 8 is 5, times 3, 15. 40 divided by 5 is 8, times 1 is 8. Go ahead and subtract, 7/40. Okay. Now this problem here, we're going to subtract without borrowing. Okay, so I want to suggest that you take 12 minus 4 minus 3/7. Don't borrow from the 12 and do it the old way. Do it this way. Work from left to right. 12 minus 4 is 8. Minus 3/7 brings you under 8. So you have 7 remaining. And some fraction here. And if you take out 3 from 7 or subtract 3 from 7, you have 4 out of 7 remaining. Remember to step it out vertically. Alright, step it out. Alright, next one. Pause the video, you try it. 5 minus 4 minus 5 11ths from left to right. 15 minus 4 is 11, minus 5 11ths brings you under 11, so you got to have 10 in some fraction. And if you subtract 5 out of 11, or 5 from 11, you have 6 out of 11 remaining. So once again, you have 10 and 6/11 here. Let's go back to grade school for a moment, and let's just multiply by the reciprocal. Very important technique. We're going to take 2/5 times the reciprocal of 3/8. All right, well, that's 8/3. Reciprocal, guys. Okay, just invert. So here and here. All right, and then you look for any counseling opportunities, if you can see any. I don't. 8/5 and 2/3 can't be simplified, so go ahead and multiply. 2 times 8 is 16. 5 times 3 is 15. And then, once more, just like we always have done before, go to mixed, and you get 1, because 15 divides into 16 one time with 1 remaining, so 1 and 1/15. When it's improper, you got to change to mixed. Or excuse me, when it's mixed, change to improper. So you want to go improper here before you multiply by reciprocal, so improper first. So 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12, so you're going to have 12/5 divided by 3/8. At this point, you want to multiply by the reciprocal, so pause the video and finish up. Okay, we're back now. We want to multiply by the reciprocal, so I'm going to take 12/5 times 8/3. Alright, see if any canceling opportunities. I see one here. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 into 12 is 4. 4 times 8 is 32. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 divides into 32 6 times with 2 remaining, so 6 2/5. Alright, and last few problems. We're going to simplify or cross-cancel before you multiply, okay? I mean, you can get 2 times 15 and 30, so you get 30/40 here. But it's a whole lot faster if you just take 15 divided by 5 is 3. And then on the other one here, 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 divided by 2 is 4 to get 3/4 here. Alright, that's called cross-canceling or simplifying back in grade school. Okay, pause the video and then you try it. Okay, we're back now. 5 into 35 is 7. 7 into 14 is 2. 2 times 7 is 14, and you're done. Okay? Alright, that's drill number 3. Print off a blank sheet and practice. Make sure you can do it in under 10 minutes perfectly. Build up your speed, build up your accuracy, build up your techniques. See you tomorrow.